At the World Economic Forum 2026 here in Davos, the NDTV Dettol Banega Swasth India campaign, which is now in its 12th year, is debuting the world's first child-centric hygiene loyalty card. And to talk more about the card, its features, the need for it, I have with me from Plan International, Dr. Komal Goswami. Thank you so much. In fact, Plan is one of our longest-running partners who's working on the ground with the campaign. You know, Komal, to begin with, I think you need to tell our viewers, why is this card important and how unique is it? What are the features?
Yes, thank you, Ambika. So as you just told that this is world's first hygiene loyalty card which is fully child-centric. Building on the legacy of Banega Swasth India from last 12 years, we thought let's curate something which empowers children. Dettol has been in existence from last 100 years, building on the 100 years of existence. And now Dettol takes hygiene education in 124 plus countries around the world. This is a solution where children become empowered. This is a solution where children have the opportunity to create occasions of behavior change. Yeah. Every child can create occasion of behavior change, and we can take this particular card to 40 million plus kids across India.
How are the kids going to access the card? How are they going to unlock the potential? Because it is the new currency of trust.
This is a behavioral incentivizing model. That means when the child will hold that particular card, will be able to scan a QR code which will directly be linked to an application where child can record all the hygiene actions that the child is taking at every pillar of the hygiene, that is personal hygiene, hygiene at illness, hygiene in classroom, hygiene at neighborhood and hygiene at the community. There are 100 curated actions from brushing your teeth to hand washing by Dettol soap to clean your hands before meal and after using the toilet. Every action that gets recorded will be further rewarded. This will become the first ever loyalty points and loyalty reward for the children.
So what are the kinds of gifts which you're looking to give the kids so that they also learn something, but they are also encouraged and motivated to, make sure that they get those points?
Yeah. These are the gifts that are and reward that a child can use in every day, from the geometry box to Dettol soap to Harpic bottle to umbrellas to curated bags which are made of sustainable material, to t-shirts, to caps, to bags, and a lot of other rewards which will be given in a cycle. It's a 12-month cycle. It's a 12 reward cycle, so that a child is engaged throughout the year and the child becomes motivated. Everything that we'll be doing is under parental consent, so parents are equally involved, because the mobile where the action will be recorded holds is of the parents, and the parents will be able to monitor the activities of every child very closely, hence making this a democratic card.